Raindrops tapping on the window pane, softly echoing a sweet refrain. Curled up in a quiet dreamlit space, each turning page a warm embrace. Steam rising from a cup in hand, wrapped in a blanket safe where I stand. Golden rays peek through silver skies, a fleeting calm where my heart lies. The symphony of rain begins to play, a melody that washes fears away. Soft and true, a peaceful world in shades of blue. Beyond these walls, the world feels far, yet here I sit beneath the stars, surrendering to the rhythm's grace. Lost in silence, time slows its pace. Like a dream where clocks stand still, the rain keeps dancing on the sill. Silver whispers kiss the glass, a fleeting beauty meant to last. The symphony of rain begins to play, a melody that washes fears away. A moment frozen, soft and true, a peaceful world in shades of blue. Let the rain keep singing low, a gentle song my heart will know. Drifting, dreaming, lost in time, the symphony of rain forever mine.